Welcome back to my channel, everyone. It's Addict615, and I am back with another video. Today I'm going to do something different. I actually started a new subscription box, and it is called TheraBox, as in therapy box. And the TheraBox actually offers a ton of subscription varieties. So you can have a box on self-care, which is what I selected for me time, indulgent activities. But they have one for moms, they have a box for caretakers, they have one that's created for date night in, dates out. They have them for kids and activities. They have them centered around mental health or preferences, cooking, hobbies. I decided that the TheraBox for self-care was right down my alley. And I love what they have printed here on the back of their box. It says, self-care is giving the world the best of you instead of what's left of you. So this spoke to me. This is my very first box, and we are going to dive in. I cannot wait to see what this box has. So this is what it looks like, and this is the Dreamland edition. Okay, so it looks like what is in this box is a clearly balanced dazed nighttime drops. So these, it says, drift into dreamland with clearly balanced dazed nighttime drops. Each drop of the premium to nectar oil guarantees a smooth and calm journey to the land of Nod. They have Koha Sweet Dreams steaming eye mask in this box, Willow Collective Midnight Ember 100% soy wax candle. There is a Luna Rain Phyto resurfacing night serum. I guess it's a night serum. They have a Slumber Sip bedside carafe for drinking, so you can take it, your drink or water for the nightstand at bedtime. Menthol plumping night lip balm. I already know I won't like that. I don't like stuff that makes my lips tingle. And then the last one is a snooze sleep patch. So those are the items. Oh, there are 8 items on the next page. And then there is a Happy Shop night notes, so that you can write notes at night. This month's box value is $195. So this is how it ships, and let's dive in. All right, so it looks like here on the top are the night notes. I hate to think that this is going to become the book that stays on my nightstand for things that I pop up at night that need to be added to my to-do list at home or work. But that's what it looks like, and it's hardbound. There's the back. And then on the inside, oh, it has all kinds of little activities and things to read and places for you to write. And so I thought that it might just end up being a journal, but it's like a better sleep quiz, as on one of the pages. Do you have do you have trouble falling asleep a lot of nights or rarely? When you do go to bed, do you stay awake for a while, tossing or turning? Do you feel aches and pains in your body? Do you feel tired and sluggish? Do you wake up in the middle of the night before drifting off to sleep? Do you have irregular breathing? So I guess they will help you figure out how to get better sleep. There's a section in here with a sleep tracker. So it's not at all what I thought. I thought it was just going to be a place to, um, like just a bedside notebook, but it's not. It's not. There's a place for you to journal and track your sleep and to make some adjustments for the day so that you can get a better night's sleep for the next. Things that you've learned, your mood, what you're grateful for, thoughts and notes and things to do for tomorrow. So there is this little section right here that if I pop up, I guess I can use. So that is the first thing. The next is the friendly patch. It says travel 8 patches. These are sleep patches with melatonin in them, along with several other things that will help introduce a good night's sleep. Not sure. Maybe I'll pass these on to a family member. I really don't have a hard time sleeping, whether I'm home or away. But maybe if I throw them in my travel bag, who knows when I'll have a restless night when I'm away from home and need something. So I may, maybe. The next one is the Kona Beauty Self-Heating Eye Mask. And it is in the scent Jasmine. So these may be great at night when I'm just sitting scrolling or watching TV in bed on my iPad. This may be something to help depuff and calm as I unwind for the night. So that's that. The next is the menthol lip balm. I'm glad it's a small one. This is a no for me. I may pass this one on to either my nephew or my sister. They don't seem to mind tingle stuff on their lips. This is the nighttime drops. It actually has 600 milligrams of CBD. I have mixed feelings about CBD, so I'm not sure yet what I'm going to do with this one. I've got a lot of things in this one that I seem to be on the fence about, maybe. This next one is Midnight Ember. It is a soy candle, 100% soy, and it has amethyst stones. It's by the brand Willow Collective. Oh, it's a cute little pot. So here's the little pot. And let's see if I can get this off. There we go. It's sealed really good. Let's see if I can work this off. And there are the amethyst stones there. This would be really good at bath time, like soaking. I don't know that I would want it burning in my bedroom while I got ready to drift off to sleep. But it may be really calming at bath time, like soaking. So I think I like that one. And then the last, I think, nope, we've got 2 more. So we'll do this one first. This is the Lunar Rain Resurfacing Night Serum. This is definitely going in my travel bag. Resurfacing, skin renewal at night, a skincare product. Absolutely. Little plain bottle, and then it has just a label on it. Let's see what it smells like. Smells like another nighttime skin product that I have. I may have to do a little bit more research on the ingredients that they have here on the back just to make sure that I'm good. They are super tiny, so I'll have to dig into those. And then the last one is the hand blown bedside carafe. And I take either a glass of water or a bottle of water to my nightstand every single night. So this will definitely have a place. I usually drink more than this though. It's like, how many ounces is this? 500 milliliters. I could probably make this work. So here's the little carafe, the top, so everything stays secure. I've got to get the part of that label off of there. And this is actually already broken. Is that broken? Do you see that? It is broken. So I'm not going to be able to use this at all. Well, so much for that idea. I'm going to give it one more month and then I will decide if this is going to be worth the money or not. I was most excited about this, which is not usable because the glass is broken. And the candle will definitely be nighttime bath. The serum. This is 1 pack of unwind heating eye patches. So I'll give those a try. Not sure about the melanin. Not a CBD. Menthol lip tingle products are not my jam. And then I'll definitely keep this bedside. So not exactly the therapy I was hoping for. That's just me being a little disappointed with the whole thing. So let me know what you think. And yeah, we're going to just leave that there because I don't know what else to say about this because it is definitely not what I was hoping for. And to be honest, I don't see the $195 retail value unless they are charging like Sephora prices for like a few of these items, in which case I would prefer to pick up my choice of products from Sephora. Yeah. One more month and then the TheraBox may be over. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Please like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, be well.